you. Okay, so today is Thursday, the day of the pop-up, and as you can see, hair is not done. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. I still got some last minute stuff to do. I need to finish this. I need to finish this top. I need to finish this skirt. I need to print out my hang tags, print out some sheets that's gonna be on the table and laminate them. Gotta do my hair and finish just last minute stuff. I wanna show y'all before I start a new vlog what I got so far. So last night I was supposed to spray this so it could be glossy. So I'm finna hurry up and do that right now. But this is the thing I was painting. It looks so cute. I was gonna add words under it, but I feel like I don't have enough time, so I might do that next time. But right now, it looks good. Okay, yeah, here's the mirror. I gotta glue that little zipper part, but yeah, it looks fine. And then here is all the stuff I got done. Skirt, corset top, patchwork shirt. This shirt is so far. Then another patchwork shirt, and then these, then 3 purses. And I'm gonna bring my measuring tape. just as a prop, because like I make my own clothes. But yeah, I'm trying to hurry up and get done with all the last minute stuff before 10 o'clock so I can do my hair, get my outfit ready, and just be ready, packed up, get the clothes ready, like iron them, and that's really it. But yeah. I'm gonna open a package with y'all. So I got this. It's a little card reader thing, so I can accept payments at the pop-up shop instead of like using Venmo and stuff, so I can take it off my website and like track it, and it's easier for taxes and all stuff like that. But here it is. I got it from SumUp. A lot of people use Square, but a lot of people don't recommend Square, so I try to look for something else. As you can see, I did my hair, and now I have to finish the last minute stuff. Finally, the roll-up printer is being my friend and working today. Right now I have to make the hand tags, add logo to my bag. I want to add a sticker to my mirror that say follow me on Instagram at Scrap Files, and I need to add some closures to my tote bags, and I also need to print something out at the office. So it's 12 o'clock right now. I'm about to eat lunch, but at the same time I'm going to be doing all this stuff while I'm eating so I can get stuff done. I am very excited and very like, I'm nervous and scared because I don't know how it's going to be. Like, am I going to have to go up to people and sell it to them, like sell my items to them, which is not hard, but a lot of people say I be looking mean, and I need to fix that. So all day yesterday I was practicing smiling like the whole time, not having like a resting face, like just like, so when you see me I'm just gonna be like, instead of being like just my regular resting face, I'm gonna be smiling. That's gonna be my resting face, so I can be approachable when people want to actually buy my stuff. But I only have a little bit of inventory, so hopefully all that sells out. It's only gonna be 5 vendors there. The pop-up starts at 6 and I have to be there at 5, so I need all this stuff done at 5. And I'm also debating if I should add a canvas, because I just watched this other girl pop up and she said she wished she would have like emphasized how sustainable her brand is and emphasize like a little bit more marketing. That's why I'm going to add the sticker that say follow me on Instagram at Scrap Files. But I'm also debating if I should paint this canvas real quick and and put sustainable, ethical, handmade, and fly on there. I think that wouldn't take a long time, but I really don't want to get my hands dirty again, because when I was painting with black, my whole fingernails and stuff was black, and I don't really want to do that today because today's day of the pop-up. I gotta look good. But I'm still debating if I'm going to do that. That was the original plan, but I just didn't have a lot of time to actually do it. So I cut out everything. I cut out these little thank you cards. I already got some thank you cards. You already saw them, but my friend said it wouldn't be a smart financial decision to use my thank you card, so I just printed some out using a Rolo. Now I'm about to put my logo on the bag using a sticker, and then add the thank you cards inside already, so all that can already be done. So when I get there, it will just be more organized and less confusing. And this is the sticker I'm going to put on just a small square logo. Okay, y'all, done with the bags. Here are the bags. I only got 13 because I got 13 items, so obviously the most people could buy is 13 things, and if they buy more than one thing at one time, it can fit in the bag. So next, I am going to do everything with the clothes. So I'm going to add the hang tags, add the care instructions, and iron at the same time. So I want to show y'all my little setup. Iron, these are hang tags, care instructions, and then the string, scissors, heart, hole puncher. And then I'm going to just hang it up right here. Okay, y'all, so it's time to go. This came by way too quick. I thought I had more time, but I got everything done. Now I'm just gonna pack up everything and take it to the car. Probably gonna need 2 loads, so I need to hurry up. The printer don't work. I waited last minute to print out something. It don't work, so I gotta go to the library real quick. But the pop-up don't start at 6. It's 4:30 right now, so it's okay. We got an hour to set up and stuff, so I'm pretty sure it won't take that long to set up. But I'm trying to get there at least by 5:15. I don't want to get there too late and then not have no time to set up for real. So yeah. Okay, this is everything I'm bringing. Put the clothes in the tote bag and some more stuff I need. And then I'm also bringing my camera and my tripod and my iPad and some snacks just in case I get hungry. But yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and take this off and hurry up and go to the library and print. Okay, y'all, I'm here. And let me show you. It's a little loud in here because they're making coffee, but let me show you the little spot. She said I can get this area. I guess it's gonna be 2 other people in here, so I guess we're gonna split it up evenly, but I want to get in the front. And then this is like the back area, I guess. But now I'm gonna set up. All right, y'all, so it's like 5:50 something and I'm at the place. I got set up. All I gotta do is clean my mirror, but this is the little place. I'm gonna go to my friend area first.
recording?
Yes.
Okay. So cute.
This is Loverboy.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
This is cute though.
Thank you.
This is the setup. It's weird, but and the mirror. So cute. I forgot to show you my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. White singlet shirt, black mini skirt. Yeah, and bottom. But my friend came to help. 5 more minutes till it starts. Not a lot of people here, but hopefully they come. Hopefully I sell out. But yeah, I forgot to show this. Okay, y'all. It's 7:28. I got 0 sales. It's very, very slow today. My friend said last time it wasn't slow, but today it's slow. So, but I guess this experience was okay. But now I got pre-made items that I can add to my website. So I won't, like, if somebody order, I can automatically just ship it, I guess, and they won't have to wait as long. Okay, y'all, I'm in the bathroom and it's 7:30, an hour 30 minutes of the pop-up. Got 0 sales. It is so slow. Like, only the person next to me got 1 sale, and then my friend got 1 sale. It's like so slow. Today is Thursday and everybody keeps saying, oh, payday tomorrow, wish I would have came tomorrow. I'm like, well, y'all can go shop on my website. But some people, like a lot of people were saying like they like my stuff, but they just kept saying like I get paid tomorrow, so I can't buy it right now. But then I just kept telling them all this stuff will be on my website, you can buy it tomorrow. But yeah, how do I feel? I don't know. I feel regular. I'm just happy I had a pop-up. Like I'm glad I got the experience to actually batch or bulk make stuff in like a week. Like, see how much stuff I can make in a week, just to get prepared for when I get so much orders and stuff like that. So yeah, and then my friend came here and I'm glad she came because I would have been bored here just by myself. But yeah, that's about it. There's no one here, I didn't get any sales, but I guess it's okay for the experience. I guess maybe next time I'm probably gonna be in another one, like maybe in a couple weeks, so I probably might use that stuff that I made for that, or if somebody ordered it, I'm just gonna ship them that. But I'm glad I got the experience. Let me show y'all my fit. White seamless mini skirt. Like, I look so cute. Like, I look so cute, I can't feel bad. But I wish I would have been able to get more content, but like we really just been sitting down, like really not doing nothing. But maybe next time, maybe I'll get a sale before 8 o'clock. If I do, I'll come back. And I won't be doing packing up. You don't take it apart.